What people need today is passive income. People need to be focused on not, before you get wealth, don't worry about wealth creation, worry about passive income, not earned income. Get your earned income. Second thing is you need passive income. Income that you get paid, I'm talking to your audience now, whether you work or don't work, whether you go to work, don't work, sick or not sick, whether there's a COVID or not a COVID, a war or not a war, you still get paid every month. That is the only true money on this planet.
All right, guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride. Let me, all right, I want to show you out real quick because I was kind of late starting the day. But this is my funded account. I started today. You see I'm in profit, $166 so far. I want to get it up to $200. That's my goal, is to get $200. I'm actually at my goal, because I have another account that's running as well. So I have two accounts that's running. So pretty much we're at probably at about $300 profit for today with both of my accounts. So this one is almost about to get funded. I've got about another $30 to go. And this will be one more funded account. I'll jump from a $500 account to, I believe, $750 or $1,000 to use. Remember, guys, with a funded account, you keep 80% of the profits and you give Foxify 20%, which is very, very generous if you ask me. But that's why I like using a funded account. I like using other people's money. And basically, I got my stop loss for Bitcoin set at 91,660. So if it hits 91,660, I'll lock in $120 profit. Right now, we're at 91,853. So let me raise that a little bit, I guess, so I can lock in some more profits. I just raise this to 91.7. Yeah, that's good. 91.720. That way I lock in $132 profit no matter what happens today. And I got my AVAX. You know I love AVAX, my slow and steady mover. I want to put a couple, maybe 70, 80 bucks in this. This is up $7.83. This is sitting at $13.68. Stop loss at $13.65. So let me just raise up to another penny. Maybe at $13.66. Boom. So right now we're at 160. Let me see if I got any visitors yet. I got one viewer. What's up? Leave a comment. Got any questions? I'm trading on Foxify. A funded account is on Sonic blockchain. So you need $100 in USDC on Sonic. And all you have to do is come over to the funded account. You come over to start a new journey. And you get to pick either one, the entry level or the pro level. I suggest the entry level. Start with $100 USDC collateral deposit. Receive a funded account size of 500 USDC. This should draw down 20%. Your profit share, 80%. Journey through 6 levels of increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. You can also start with $500 and receive a funded account size of, my BTC just filled, so I locked in $132 profit. Receive a funded account size of 2,500. This should draw down 20%. Your profit share, 80%. Accelerate through 4 different levels of increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. All right, so that's how that works. I have a link in the description below. Special promotion for Crypto Pride users. If you start for entry level and you get all the way up to not a pro level, but the silver level, platinum level. No, the silver level. I'm sorry. One of these levels you get $250 back. I'll let you know for sure. I keep forgetting. Let's go back over to my funded account. Where we at? Let's see. So Bitcoin took a mini dump right here. You see, quick spike. That's why I do use the stop loss, guys. So you see, I'm sorry. Let's start this up again. All right, there we go. So my Bitcoin did an automatic stop loss, but my AVAX is still pumping. So I got a 13.66. So if that goes down another penny, I'm gonna lock in 656. So now all I'm gonna do now is just wait to Bitcoin goes down a bit more and make the turn back up. Or like I said, you can catch the wave when it's going down as well, guys. So if I want to, I can catch the wave on Bitcoin going down. Let me just watch it for a few. I can click on sell. Only got to make a couple more dollars. I got 89 points. Once they get to 100 points, target 100 points, I can get promoted to another funded account. Just let me watch this a little bit. But this is still this RSI is still iffy. Even though it's overbought, kind of. Once it goes above 50, it goes to the overbought. Yeah, let me do a sell. What the hell? Let's check it out. It's going down. It's going up. Okay, my AVAX just sold. So now it's got my Bitcoin going down. The profit $6 already. It's trending down. I still wish this RSI spiked down a bit more. Give me a confirmation, I guess, that it's going down. Right now it's still undecided. It's gonna go sideways, go curve back up. I want it to look like this line right here, straight down. Okay, I just got promoted, guys. You have qualified for promotion to the next level of your funded journey. Please wait while we prepare your account to either on deck state. So now I just got promoted. So I actually made $125 that quick because I did the down position. And I made some more money going down. And I used a 60x leverage. So I hit that real in a quicker way. Let me see if I got any questions. No questions. Let me know if you got any questions, guys. But you're seeing real time. I just got to fund it to the next level. It took me about an hour and a half to get funded to the next level. So an hour and a half, I made about $300 because I got two accounts going on right now. So I'm just showing you one account, but I have another account as well as going on. I haven't even checked that yet, but I should have made about $300 already in an hour and a half. And now I'm getting promoted to the next levels. As you see on the screen, it says account status update is going to jump to I believe the Spark level I think the next level is Surge level, I believe. We'll see. Takes about a couple minutes to jump to the next level. In the meantime, anybody got any questions? Any comments? No questions or comments? Okay. So I guess I'm explaining everything the right way. Once again, guys, link is in the description below. The entry level is the Spark level. Next level, I believe, is I want to say Surge level. I can't remember. I do it so many damn times. I really don't be paying attention. But like I said, the best way to make money is to use somebody else's money. All right, so here we go. Let's see. All right, so where we at? 100 points. Here we go. Yes, the next level is the Surge level, like I thought. So right now I can take out my little profit, available profit, take out $70. So like I said, we do an 80-20 split. So total profit was $89. Foxify take their little cut, which leave me with $70.49. Now, if I want, I can withdraw those funds right now. Well, I gotta go to the other way to withdraw, but I don't know. Let's keep it in my account. Let's go to the next level, Surge level. So the next level is a Surge level where I will get $1,250 to trade with, and I'll keep 80% of those profits, and Foxify keep 20%. And after the Surge level is the Bronze level. I think the Bronze level jumps up to $2,500, I believe. All right, so let me go. Let's wait for the count to go to deposit. Let me go back over to my funded perps. It should be updating this very soon. Just let me refresh. All right, so while I was waiting for deposit, I can show you my next my other account that I have on here. So let me switch my other account real quick. Sorry, split screen. Enable trading. Let's see what my other account's up to. It might have been gone down because Bitcoin's gone down, so it might have gone down. I might just keep it going. We'll see how much profit I'm in. Something went wrong. So let me refresh. Let me know you guys got any questions, okay? So let me refresh. All right, so this is the other account. I'm just going to keep that going. This one is $142. So I think it's only in profit about $38. I should have came back over and did my stop loss, but looks like Bitcoin is trying to come back to the positive. I got a stop loss at 91,350. So let me jump that up some. I come back to this one. 91, let's do 450. So you start locking $30 profit on that one. All right. Boom. All right, let's go back to my other funded account. It should be active by now. So I'll go to the funded account. Boom, boom, boom. All right. So now I have a total of $1,320 that I can use to trade with in this account. And basically I got 6 days to make $100, which is very, very doable. Just let me check out what's going on. Still going down. And like I tell you guys, history repeats itself. So once one goes down, you can pretty much follow the other tokens. They're all gonna be going down the same way. You see, boom. Oh, this is a good one to get in right here. Those are Solana. It's about to curve upwards. So let me put a buy into Solana. Let's do about $600. Because like I said, guys, history repeats itself. You see right here, boom, down. Once you start seeing it turn pink, I should have got into it when it was about right there, like the third bar. The third pink bar is when I usually go in. You can see the MACD is kind of trying to curve upwards. RSI still kind of in the oversold, trying to come up. So this one should be a good hold, at least to maybe get up to that 140, 141. Go back to all time, I guess high for the day, which would be 141. So long as I'm not a fast mover like Bitcoin, that's why I like using Bitcoin. But let me check out Bitcoin again. Still trending down. I haven't got my third pink bar yet, so I'm going to come back to that one. Let's look at BNB. BNB looking good. Wait for that to turn pink. You see it's kind of stagnant right here, the RSI. I'm going to use two technical indicators, which is the MACD and the RSI. Sometimes I will use the Keltner channel. If I'm familiar with the Keltner channel, I'm going to show you guys. This is the Keltner channel. As you see, this is just like a pattern. Once it goes above the Keltner channel, it usually comes back down inside the Keltner channel. Then once it goes below the Keltner channel, it usually comes back inside. But once it hits like this little part right there, you know it's about to take off. So everything's above the Keltner channel. Now it's coming back in. So hopefully it goes back up in a little bit. We'll see. Let's look at Bitcoin. Same way I'm gonna get my third pink. Once I get the third pink one, I'm gonna go back into Bitcoin as well when I buy. No comments yet? Okay. So wait and see, wait and see. So it is a wait and see game. So right now my Solana is down 61, but we'll see what comes around. It'll take a minute. Going into the oversold territory. It's just a wait and see game. I'm gonna go live for another I'm up to 1 o'clock, another 11 minutes. We shall see. Any questions or comments, guys? Let me know. Wait for my third pink bar on BTC. Might go in a couple more dollars. It's BTC, that's the main one. This one really right. That's where all the volume at is in BTC, Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. This is about to come back up again. I missed that third bar. May go up to 30. Just a couple dollars. We'll see. Everything's pretty stagnant. I'm using 60x leverage. Let's bring it down to 50. Be safe, like 50. And once you see it pumping, that's when I usually change the leverage. Still trending down. So let's give me a couple more minutes, I guess, when this will start curving up. I don't know. Might be a good opportunity to get in. 3020, 2019. Let's look at BTC again. Still downwards. It's just a wait and see game, guys. Hey, Pride, what brothers? Long time no see. What's up? What's up, Juan? Just doing a little trading, buddy. Waiting for Bitcoin to pop back up and Solana to pop back up. Looks like it's on a downwards trend. We'll see. Negative 99. I'm not worried about that though. It feels different when you're using really somebody else's money to make money. Like if I lose, I'm not really stressed because I already locked in my profits pretty much. And I live to fight another day. Hopefully things will turn around. It's getting lower and lower and lower, so that's a good sign. Just gotta wait it out. I'm below the Keltner channel, so we should go above pretty soon. Let's look at Bitcoin. A little lower value at last next bar. Trying to look like it's trying to curve up a little bit to RSI. Let's come up a little bit. So will now be the perfect time to get into Bitcoin? Let me do a small position, just a small one. What's how much is this? 0.2, 0.2x. Let's go up a little bit. Look, it's about to turn around. Let's go long. Oh no, that was going back down. Let's see. Got another smaller one. All right, let's go. Not too much, but then like it's about to start taking off. So now I got a Bitcoin and I got a Solana position. Now we just jumped into the green. $50x leverage. So, okay, it's turning around. Let me look at Solana. You see I started to spike up, guys? It's starting to spike up like that. We pretty much off to the races. Solana should look the same way. Spiking up. You remember, guys, once that blue line crosses the orange line, like it just did, off to the races. Remember, guys, if you're watching, I was down, what, $102, $111? Now I'm slowly coming back into profit. Oh. Now we just took a major dump. Let's see. Might be a little fake out. We just got to watch it. Spike down the RSI, but the MACD still up. We'll see. Now, see how fast it jumped from -23 to -76? That could have been a fake out, but still looking good. Look, it's about to pop into the green, even though it's turned a little red. Hopefully the next bar should be green. And look at that BTC. Let's see. Wait and see. Let's see in the comments. How is this compared to pocket options? Which is better or easier? I like pocket options. I think it's kind of like, I want to say like manipulated. I just feel that way using pocket options, even though it has the same technical analysis. Some people like trading futures as well, but those futures, the gold is trading gold and the currencies, different currencies. If I'm using pocket options, I just use Bitcoin, to be honest. And then with pocket options, I use 2 indicators on pocket options. Once it gets all the way to the top, maybe I do a pocket options video because I only use 2 technical analysis on pocket options. But pocket options just seems a little, I don't know, it's just different. It's like, I don't know if I can't trust it like I want to trust it. I use the 1-minute timers on pocket options. I mean, the 3-minute timers on pocket options. And I might do like a 15-minute on pocket options. Because like I said, you always see the cycles. So say I'm on pocket options and I see it's at the top right here at the MACD. I'll do a sell maybe 15 minutes later. And hopefully it's down a little bit lower. That's how I use pocket options. But I haven't used pocket options in a while. Maybe I should go back to pocket options. So we'll see. Look like we're trending down, man. Come on. I'm almost at my limit of 15%. I'm at 11.47. So I'm from -79, 15. We'll see how long. We'll see if it holds up. Down 100. Uh-oh. In the red. Might get liquidated, guys. 13%. I got to 15%. This might be the worst or the best comeback ever, or I'll just get liquidated. Point. Man, they're playing with me today. Let's see. We shall see. Almost there. 150, 145. We'll see. You got to turn around, buddy. Need some value into the positive. It's a wait and see game. 91,477, 486. Let's see. I've been learning to trade on pocket options for about 6 months. Still can't get it. Yes, it's very risky there. I didn't have much to trade with and lost it all looking for trade again. Buddy, like I said, with Foxify, you can start with a funded account, buddy. Only costs $100. If I show you Foxify, is a link in the description below, right? So this is what I'm using, a funded account. You start with $100 USDC collateral. This is on Sonic blockchain. So you would need $100 USDC, right? And you hit the link in the description below. That has a link in the description, and that you get a special bonus once you get to certain levels. But you'll receive a funded account size of $500 USDC. That's what I started off earlier today. If you go back and rewatch this video, I started off with $500. This drawdown is 20%. Your profit share is 80%. Okay, so you keep 80% of the profits. And then you journey through 6 levels of increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. So I started with the basic level, and now I'm on the, I think this is the purge level, the surge level. So you start off with the spark level. The next level, you go to the surge level, okay? And then once you get to the surge level, the next level will be a bronze level, silver level, gold level, and then you get to platinum level. And that's when you get the bonus of $5,000 automatically going to your wallet as well if you get to that level. Or you can start with the pro level, start at $500 USDC, receive a funded account size of 2,500 USDC. Initial drawdown limit is 20%. Your profit share is 80%. And you only have to go through 4 more levels of increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. So that's how that works. So if you want to start, like I said, $100, this is pretty much the perfect platform to be in. And it's pretty much like a wait and see game. Like I said, guys, you got a couple minutes ago, I was down $140. Now it's down minus 38. So pretty much you got 13 days to make like $200 profit, which is like nothing. You can get that in one day. You see my first account that I started with, I got it in an hour and a half. And then I got promoted to the surge level, which is this level. And once I started with 1250. Now I have 1300. So once I get this to probably 1500, probably less than that. Once I get this to about 30, well, say 1400 to be safe, then I'll jump to the next level where I'll get, I believe, 2500, something like that. I get like $2,500 to play with. And $2,500 is pretty much a good amount when you're using leverage as well. All right, so now we're looking, finally got to the point where I wanted to get to right here. So hopefully the next bar would be green. The next pink bar, not next pink bar, next bar should be hopefully green. So right now I'm only a profit, was that 12, 14, 18, 24? It's flipping all over the place. So there's the green bar. So we're looking good as far as that. So hopefully we can take off. So now y'all see me go from a negative 140, where I was almost about to get liquidated. Remember, it's red all the way up here. I was thinking I was at my limit, like 14%. And now I'm in a positive $8. So you gotta have balls to be in this game, I guess. You know, don't let your emotions get into it. And look, we're looking good. So hopefully we go above the count in the channel, and hopefully it repeats like this. I'll go over here. It repeats, it goes up, goes up. So the top today was at 91.9. So if I get to 91.9, I'll be a happy camper. Let me do a little bar. Let me see. Top is about right here. So if I can reach that level, I'll be funded by that time. Like already again. So we in $43 profit, 26. I think it's too early to do my stop loss. I'll do one because I'm about to see 130. We at got in 139. We at 139, 138. I'll do 138. It'll be can you do a 139? That'd be a negative 188. Can't get liquidated. Let's see, 138.40. Was that 139.49? I'll just do it later once I'm in real profit. It went down that quick. Now back up to negative 11.12. So that's the problem when you're using all this leverage. It goes down real quick and it goes up real quick. Imagine if I used 100x leverage. I would probably been liquidated by now. I know I would have been liquidated by now if I used 100x leverage. BTC. Look at Solana. Solana's kind of choppy. Not much volume going on over here. Let me close Solana because they ain't moving at all. We locked that in. Just gonna stick with Bitcoin. That way I free up some leverage at least. Free up some leverage. So I still got 1246. Started with 1250. How long I've been streaming? 33 minutes. Wow. I took about 10 more minutes and I'll just set my stop loss and come back later on the day. Hopefully I'll be in some profit. We're at 139. Let's see Bitcoin. There we go. Damn it. I closed out the wrong one. I thought I closed out Solana. I closed out Bitcoin. Damn it. Comments. So we had 139 open, 139.6. So I'm gonna set my stop loss and I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I guess I'm hungry. So we got 139. Let's do 139. 139.60. Give some room to run. I'm gonna do 139.40. All right. Bitcoin. Let's do 91. 6 something. Let's see. We're at 91.7. All right, I'm gonna do my stop loss so I can leave and go get some bread, some lunch, and come back. And hopefully I'll be some profit. All right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Same thing, rinse and repeat. Yeah, that's it. Guys, when we continue doing streams, let me know in the comments below as well. Let me see. You say Foxify doesn't have a demo account to start with, does it? No, it does not. Unfortunately, it does not have a demo account to start with. But like I said, at least you can start with $100, or you can start with you don't have to use the funded account. You can just use the regular account like I'm using on the other way, where you can start with those as $10. You know, if I go to my show you, let me show you my other account that I have real quick. I'll show you. Oh, that's not it. Sorry, go back. Let me show you the other account real quick. Yeah, you don't have a demo account, but like I said, you can start with like $20, I believe, to trade with. I always just start with $100. But let's see, while I connected. All right, so this is my other account, right? So this is not a funded account. This is just I'll put $100 in. So this is up $30, I believe. Let me see. Oh, actually, I'm not even trading this account. Let's go. Let me put a trade in because Bitcoin's taking off. Let's see. You can use different leverage. All right, so I put in buy right there. So this account, you don't have to have a funded account. So you can just put in, like I said, $20, $30 and just set your stop losses and play with $10, $15, $20. Totally up to you. You can use up to 100x leverage with Bitcoin. Like certain of these coins, you can use 100x leverage on Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. BNB, you can use 50, but they have a whole bunch of different coins you can choose from. As you can see, guys, they have over 100 different tokens you can choose from to trade with. You can trade with meme tokens as well. So you have a lot of choices you can use to trade with. I just used pretty much the main three. Basically my favorites right here that I trade with. And like I said, yeah, start with like $20, $30, and take it from there. Set your stop loss. Let me set my stop loss. Bitcoin's at 91.7. Because I'm about to leave. I just want to set it so I don't forget. 91.6 is what? Oh. Are we at 91.673? 91.66. Oh, 91. Sorry. So if it goes down to 91.630, I'll take $2. I was in the profit, so let's do 91.40. 640, 650. Yeah, I better go. Let's confirm that. And hopefully it goes up. And I come back, we're going to be in more profit as well. This is on what leverage I'm using on this one? 50x leverage as well. So like I said, start with a small account, one, and just work your way up. And then once you get comfortable, you can try to fund the account, start with $100 and use it that way. All right, guys, I'm excited to see you guys tomorrow. Same time. I'll try to come a little early tomorrow. All right, guys. Peace out.